here at Chiba. We're about to leave. This is Sunday, day 4. It was kind of like a free-for-all. Everybody kind of just went on their own to do a ride. So a lot of the people from Cali, Michigan, kind of everybody in the group that came in today, they are trying. We organized a little ride. It's kind of like last minute. That's sick. Like a last minute ride, not planned, just off the back. So we're gonna see how that goes.
Surron party. This wasn't even an event, this was a party. If you missed out, hey, I'm sorry, it was an open invite, man. Everybody was welcome to attend. And hey, we're going to start doing these pop-ups in every city in America. Stay tuned.
Let me smell that. Damn, we really in the middle of the road. Okay. Legendary. Fucking legendary. Here you go, Mr. Cowboy himself. Look at all these bike life people. Look at all these bike life people.
That'll just be the one that will never leave this place.
Almost. You got a flight to catch. The legend himself. The fucking legend. They're destroying it. Woo! Right here, this pump. Pump? This? Pound it?
What?
Pound it? The fist? Boom. My man. Miguel, what up? I saw you do the little thingy. I might take that idea.
Yeah, go for it. Not a bad.
Oh! Yo, the last ride, dude. Literally, the last ride. We're out here riding with the Texas locals. That's how you do it. It's the perfect way to end it. Yo, we are here riding with the locals. The last ride, you gotta do it right. Look at that scenic view. If you're gonna do it in Texas, you gotta do it right. Woo! What's up, fellas? Cowboy, what up? What up? What's up, Surronster?
Dude, I love how many people are pulling up for this ride right now.
I really didn't think a lot of people were gonna come.
I'm shocked.
Yeah.
There were just a couple of us. I was like, oh, this is gonna be cute. And then like 3 trucks pulled up, packed with bikes.
Yeah, I think it's just the timing as well. You know what I mean? Because it's like a 9 o'clock scene was like a little early. Then now it's like, okay, we're actually supposed to come. We were like, let me just stop by because we'll be by it. And fuck yeah, we just come in by. You think? Oh, what the fuck happened?
Well, I got a flat, so I'm putting on a new wheel set.
You got a flat again, dude?
Yes, I never get flats. The fucking day I drive to Texas.
It's the fucking Texas roads, dude. Yeah. What's the cowboy? What up? Bill. Yo, you think I can ride your bike? See how we're in an empty parking lot. I want to see how fast this goes. So he's the fastest guy. He's the fastest guy in our group, and I'm the slowest guy. I gotta compensate. J-Styles, I should do something like that. Imagine the J-Styles TV. Wait, Styles TV. Ooh.
Ample braking distance and lead with the rear brake on the left.
Rear brake is this is the rear brake, so this is what a 80-20 basically.
That's the front.
Okay.
It should be the same as you should have that on your Surron if you're doing wheeling, right?
Yeah, no, yeah, it should be, but they were flipped. So this is the back brake on a Surron, and this is the front brake.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah. Oh, this is the same?
Yeah, that's the back brake. This is the front brake.
Oh, okay. I heard reverse. All right. Oh, snap pedals. What is this? Am I recording?
What the fuck?
Pedal. What is this? Why is my wheel up here? Oh, shit. This is Don Waldo's bike, and oh my lord, it is a fast puppy. Oh shit! Coming in fast, coming in fast. Oh, Yappa, what's up, bro? Yo, I'm airdrop you the joint later, alright?
Dude, it's fucking cold out.
You really? It was colder yesterday. Oh, dude, yeah. Get yourself some.
Fuck, I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm gonna be here like, woo.
Get yourself some tea or something. Yeah, right. Police. Oh. Fuck! This is one of those, baby. I will not send this like crazy. Multiple. That's it. I think that bump was like the epitome of it. Fuck. Bro, this bike is fucking fast. Your Virtue, I felt like I was in a cannon, just kept asking.
Let David jump on.
Watch out, don't touch.
Yeah.
How you do?
Don't worry about the kickstand. Just hop up.
Rear brake?
This is the rear brake.
It's like this
right here, and the rear brake is the only one with a motor cut off.
The rear brake has the motor cut off. Word. Rear. Which one is the rear? Sorry.
This is my front brake and my motor cut off. This is my rear brake. No motor cut off.
No motor cut off.
The brake is soft. The brakes are soft.
Brake. Oh. Whoa. What the fuck? No. Where are you, Julie? Yo. Dude, no. This is a fucking death trap. Mr. Andy, what's up, man? This is I was like, what's up? Not much, man. Just testing out this crazy bike. It's like I don't know what build is this, but it's obvious.
Well, that's an Onyx battery, right?
Oh, actually, yeah. The guy's bike is Julian, so he probably knows a little bit more. But I know he uses like those like an Onyx and then one of those big chargers and stuff like that. So it's like a 72 volt system. This is crazy. They beefed it up. I know you were mentioning the the circuit bikes. What is it? Bill's bike over there.
Oh yeah.
That thing is like, I feel like you'll like that. It's like inside you got to put as much batteries as you want and stuff like that, and he has it fucking tricked out.
Cool bike. How many kilowatts?
How many kilowatts?
Come this way, if you don't mind. That's a speed runner?
Yeah, we're doing like little.
What's the top speed on that?
Break right now.
We are off to the last ride. We are here with, I think it's mostly the Cali dudes and the New Yorkers are here, to be honest, besides the UK guys. Nope, we got some Florida guys as well. But hey, definitely a night. 90% of the people here are not even from Texas. That's how fucking sick it is.
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm okay.
It's your boy Kanye Chitter. Shout out, what's going on?
You're Gucci.
Just imagine how my girl.
Okay. Yeah. That was a big one.
You good, Andy?
You want me to call EMS or something?
The master broke. Fuck. Wow, that was a big one. That's a big fall. Damn. And I got the footage. It's still rolling.
No way, dude.
Is the GoPro back? On the back side? Jesus, bro.
Damn.
Helmet away.
I mean,
Was it a one-hander or what?
Yeah, I was doing a one-hander and then I was up high and I grabbed the brake and it glazed.
glazed.
Like it was.
What does it mean by glazed?
I don't know.
It was just too fast and it was making it too hot. I'm good now.
I think
Hey, Gucci?
of your body on the tree.
Probably, right?
You hit the tree?
Oh yeah.
No way.
I hit the curb, popped the curb, hit the tree.
Oh, so you fell in the grass.
Oh yeah,
hit
that's
the
the
tree.
takeaway.
What do you mean? He hit
I'm fucked up, but I'm.
So this got fucked up, but everything else is okay.
painted the tree. Bro, this is nothing.
Oh shit.
The bike is fine.
Does the wheel spin?
I think so. Here, let's try.
Yeah,
it's working out.
We're good. We're good. Yeah, I mean, it's probably not a lot, but we got zip ties if you want to tape something together from hanging,
Honestly, I'm just gonna.
just so you won't hang out or some
Yeah,
shit.
sure. Here, I'll
Yeah,
take
just
one.
no, you just take them. Just take them.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Whole egg rod.
There you go. A little imprint. That's how you mark your territory.
He was in Houston.
Oh my god.
Rice University campus. If you go to Rice, find it.
What up, Houston?
Yo, I got a fake ID though. Yeah. Two step, baby. One. Here comes the two to the three to the four. Everybody drunk out on the dance floor. Baby girl ass jiggle like she want more. Like she a groupie and I ain't even know a tour. Maybe cause she heard that I rhyme hardcore. Or maybe cause she heard that I buy out the stores. Bottom of the ninth and the nigga got to score. If not, I gotta move on to the next floor. Here comes the three to the two to the one. Homeboy tripping, he don't know I got a gun. When they come to poppin', we do shit for fun. You have one nigga, you better run. Now I'm in the back getting hit from my hun. Why she going down, I'm bragging on what I done. She smoking my blunt and she ain't having fun. Bitch, give it back, now you don't get none. Everybody in this bitch